Hi everybody, welcome back to the How Recently Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily install any application on your Samsung Smart Monitor. So here are now in the home. If you are not in the home, click this house icon on your remote, and here go up to Discover and Apps. Go to Apps, and here, as you can see, you have some editor choices, downloaded applications, music, internal content, spots, popular this week, what's new, group content, genre. Just find your preferred application. For example, for me, it may be NVIDIA GeForce Now. We'll just click on this application, and as you can see, here you have some description. So, for example, size, developer, updated latest version, languages, etc. Just click install and wait a few seconds. Of course, it depends on internet connection. Here now you can open up and or at the home or close it. And that's how to install any application on your Samsung Smart Monitor. Hope it helped you and have a nice day. Goodbye!